Hey everyone, it's your friend Roman from the Rome Now Show, and welcome back to Roblox, where today we're playing Escape the Carnival of Terror. Oh, 1 second. We have been locked in the abandoned carnival by an evil clown. Let's find a way to escape. Alright, we can't use that. Alright, I don't need to hear that again. Well, I ran that roller coaster. Let's see here. I'm gonna speedrun through the game. Ooh, okay. You know, what are those? Are they like, buildings or something like that? I don't know what those are. Oh, wait. Red balloons are bad, but not if I get ahead of it. Alright, I just like speed running through games, like, a lot. Woo! Okay. I gotta go quickly. I want to go quickly. I want to escape this because I don't want the evil clown to get me. This is one of the scary obbies on Roblox, but I don't know if there's any chases or not. I never played this obby before, so I don't know if there's chases or not, guys. Alright, well, we've got Jim here. Quickly, through here, it looks like some kind of boiler room. It is a boiler room, I think. I've never been in one, but I'm just gonna assume this is what it looks like. Alright, and... Okay, good. I haven't made it. I got checkpoint. Yo, I am speedrunning. Oh, wait. Oh, this is fat. Oh, this is actually easy. Just don't fall once. You know what? I haven't even died once yet, so let's try not to die. Okay, that thing grabs you. Alright, let's go through the game without dying. That sound good, guys? Yeah. Ah! Okay, I died. First time. You never know how dangerous places like this can be on Roblox, because there are a lot of things in Roblox that have really tricky parts. Like, for example, this. But I'm going up fast, huh? Usually, when I play some games in this, like, for example, Papa Pizza, Pizzeria, one of the other scary obbies, which has more chases, it's got this, but if you drop, you die, not this, because you go on the platform. Okay. Guys, I have to pause this real quick, and so I can eat lunch, and then I have to come back to the game. So let's just get past this part. Hopefully we don't die again. Alright. We're doing this for 2 minutes. Okay, seems good. Alright, I'm just gonna get some next checkpoint. And guys, I will be right back. We're back, and we're back in, we're still in the boiler room, actually. Oh wait, how do you just walk through that?
I'm back to town.
What do you mean?
I'm back in town.
Alright, so they're going up the ladder. I have no idea what's up here, but I just saw someone that looked like
I know what's up here.
Don't tell me. Hey!
A
What's this?
clown chase.
Wait, what? Go, I can hear a clown laughing. Make your way onto the Ferris wheel. I don't hear a clown laughing, or I don't hear any music. This seems bad. Alright, let's go.
Here he comes.
Wait, there's a clown! Alright, obviously I'm gonna see the jump scare. Come get me. Ugh! Okay, it's good. Got you. Right, I have an idea. Usually every game... Oh! But usually everyone falls for this. Ready? Watch. Every bad guy falls for this. Every chase, everyone falls for this. Ready? Ha 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 ha. You can't get me.
Even if his gun catches you.
Whoa, it's wiggly. No offense, Mr. Clown. Or whatever. That's probably the evil clown that trapped us. But why? Why? What? It's a bomb. Wait, there? Oh, there it is. The top is over here. Oh, wow, we're super high. If I fall, I'm done.
You're gonna get chased by that.
Oh! If I actually jump down and get caught by the clown, that'd be so funny. Where is he? I don't see him. I don't see him from here.
I do.
I don't.
I do.
I don't.
I do.
Alright, let's try. Oh, we got a fun house. Alright.
I see him.
I don't see him. That's a garbage can, I think.
It isn't a garbage can.
The Jim's balloon. Come on, let's go, Jim. Alright, There's only one way down. Hop onto the drop ride. Oh, I hate drop rides.
I love this.
Whoa! Where are we going? Underground? Whoa. Oh, lava! Whee! This is really fun. I don't like fast. Oh, okay. It looked like I was going up because I was going so fast. Oh, wait a second. This is supposed to be a carnival. This is like Pirates of the Caribbean or something. Oh, okay. Don't get chopped.
What's your time?
I know. Oh! Okay. Okay. Oh, wait. What's happening here? Alright, go. Can't get me. Woo! Oh! Okay. Alright, we made it. We're good. Alright. What is that? A portal? Only one way to find out. I think I'm going to make 2 parts of this. Oh. This bridge is kind of broken. Oh, ah! Bridge is broken, like... You know, this reminds me of Shrek. Oh, it's Bowser's Kingdom! Yeah, it reminds me of Bowser's Kingdom, too. Works for that, too. You know, guys, I might save the good parts for another part that I might... If I want to do another part, that's what I'll do. Go! Somebody's gonna kill me! Okay, we gotta get up here. Don't fire get... Wait, ah! Ah! Okay, yeesh. Fall damage. Totally. Yeah, totally. Oh, I'm going him. Ah! Oh, I'm not gonna make it. Ah! Go! Whew. That was close. Oh, these are skinny. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, this is kind of easy. Is it easy? Oh, whoa.
We just moved in a new house.
No, we did not.
And so now we have a farm near our house.
No!
And then I just built a cow.
No, we do not. Ellie's... Oh! Okay. I gotta hurry up with this. Fall
Give
damage.
yourself a high five.
Hey.
Okay.
Go! Okay, go! Okay, go! Okay, go! Okay, go! Ah! I knew that wouldn't work, guys. You know, I'm on a computer, and if you video it on, like, a computer, it will only upload if you do it for 10 minutes, and it's almost been 10 minutes, so we're definitely gonna have to do parts here. Part 1, part 2, part 3, do part 2 probably tomorrow or something. But whoa, that's hard. Wah! Great jump skills, not. I understand why you said that, though. Oh, back here? Man. What do I do? This is hard. Jim, this yellow fire will make you run faster. What is a boy without my little key? Alright, Jim, what is wrong with you? Who trapped? Oh my gosh, this is so hard. I can literally not do this. I'm gonna kick you in the face because you're the one who got us trapped in here. How does this work? You can't even do it. Alright, come on, go. Whee! No, what is this? Ah! Okay, we gotta go. That is our dog. Enough, Ellie. Or if I die again, I am freaking out. But no, don't glitch. Stop.
Hey, you guys, did you know that cows live in the jungle? I read it on
No,
the
they do not.
Yeah, they do.
They don't.
Remember, Roman?
That is a crow.
No, it was a cow.
Okay, guys, we are getting really close to 10 minutes, so I think this is... Alright, next time I die, I will have to stop the video, so guys, be ready for this. Okay. Oh, oh yeah, we made it. Oh, I wish I could go faster. Guys, we are as soon as we get past this part, then we're gonna stop and then we'll go to part 2. Whee! Whee! Oh gosh, I don't know if we're gonna make it.
Hey, bro.
I know. Oh, come on, I'll make it up here and then I'll make a part 2.
It can go for 15 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
You know that?
No one wants to watch a video that long. You have to keep these videos shorter, though.
Okay.
So
All right,
get ready to finish it up.
Oh,
Wrap
okay.
it up.
I will. I have to do a part 1 and part 2,
No
though.
one's gonna watch this for 15 minutes.
Wait.
It's
No! No! Okay, guys, that is it. So, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.